tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today I'm going to prepare something I like to make when I'm pushed for ideas, when there's not much in the fridge, and that is a farinata. A farinata is a kind of flatbread made using chickpea flour. It's just flour and water, and usually it's only topped with just a little bit of onion, some good extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of salt, and it's tasty that way, but we can do better today. So I'm going to add to mine some red onion, a couple of anchovies, some cherry tomato, some fresh herbs, a couple of chili peppers, and a sprinkle of fennel seeds. That's going to make a real tasty version of this traditional dish, and it's going to take about 40 minutes to make. It's very easy, so I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Click on that link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need chickpea flour, cherry tomatoes, anchovies, rosemary and sage, red onion, fennel seeds, chili, olives, and a good extra virgin olive oil.